Right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be sowing these blue pearl petunias multiflora F2. So first of all, you need to fill the tray up with some compost. I want to leave probably a centimetre from the top. There we go. And once you get into all the corners, I'm going to give it a light tap down. Get it in a block of wood, that's what I tend to do. Just give it a gentle tap so it's virtually level, all the corners, like so. Once that's done, let's get the petunias open, shall we? Really good value. These are £1. Can't believe how cheap they are. These arrived yesterday. So some of you wanted to see how to sell them. First of all, let's just have a quick look at the instructions, shall we? Yeah, petunia multiflora, half or the annual. Well, that's a lie, the perennials actually. As long as you keep them warm and are well fed and watered over the winter, you should be fine. Sow indoors, sow firmly in trays of seed compost. Do not cover the seed with compost as light is required for germination. Firm gently and keep moist. Cover the glass with polythene propagator lid, approximately 18 to 24 Celsius. 75 Fahrenheit, seedlings usually appear 14 to 25 days. So, let's see how many seeds are in here as well. Does it say? 750. Well, somehow I don't think we're going to need all them, do you? Just get the top snipped off. And then, I'm throwing 3 different types of seed in this tray. Because I'm running out of trays, so let's have a look at them. These are tiny, you can see those. Absolutely minute. So once you've got them like so, you just want to take your hand, just give it a little shake. And then just give it a little rubbing like so. Once that's done, all we have to do then is the name tag. Just give it a little water from the top. Because this compost is already moist, and because I'm putting a lid on there, I don't have to put it in my tray to soak it from the bottom. So get some of my lids here. These are for half trays actually, but I've run out of the big ones. So all I have to do with that is just put it over like so. That will keep enough moisture in there just to keep it nice and damp and moist until they germinate. So yeah, that's how to sow petunias multiflora F2 hybrids. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.